Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dina Kamilah Izzati, a student of Islamic Integrated of Al Furqon, Palembang. Today, I would like to tell you a story. The title is The Ugly Duckling. Now let me begin. One hot summer's day, a mother duck's eggs began to crack and hatch, and the little duckling started appearing through the shells, one after another. They cried, but one of the ducklings is different. I can't understand how this other duckling can be one of faint, said Mother Duck. Oh, poor little ugly duckling, she would say. Why, you're so different from the others. This little duckling is very cheerful and happy game in every day his sisters and brothers were playing. But sadly, they didn't want to play with him. He couldn't understand why no one liked him, until one day he saw his reflection in the water. Oh, I'm so ugly! That's why no one likes me! The duckling thought and decided to run away from home. He left his home and set out. On his way, he stumbled across a rabbit, who took him home and fed him. But her cat and her hen favored him very badly. So the duckling left the woman's house. Winter came and the duckling was all alone and freezing cold when a man saw him and took him home. The man treated him very well, but his children survived the duckling. They would run and jump and shout all over the place, so he escaped. At last, spring arrived, and the duckling was so happy that he could swim again. One day, as he was swimming, he saw a beautiful swan in the lake and fell in love instead. However, the duckling remembered that he was very ugly, and every day he bowed his head down in sadness. But what did he see in his reflection? Over the river, it had turned into a very handsome young swan. I understand now. My brothers and sisters are all ducklings, but I, a swan. He came and swam after the beautiful swan. Soon they got married and lived happily ever after. Okay everyone, do you know the moral story of this story? Okay, the moral lesson from the story is you should not judge a book by its cover, because there is so much happening underneath. Okay, I think it's enough. Thank you